So I'm going to sing a song that I wrote. I'll see. Hopefully, I remember the lyrics now. This is just a song, an a cappella song that just feels. It's called "Light from the Darkness," and it goes like this. In the depth of silence sits eternity, waiting for a wondrous stirring melody, like a seed that needs no time to grow up to the stars. And shining in the darkness is each living being, reflecting to the universe their amazing dreams. The cry of gulls, the howl of wolves in the night. And tell me you see me and sing me a song the way only you can sing. And bring forth the light in the darkest of nights the way only you can bring. And even though the darkness waits for everyone, and even though we struggle on without a plan, we'll light up that dark abyss, we'll fill it up with just one kiss. So tell me you see me and sing me a song the way only you can sing. And bring forth the light in the darkest of nights the way only you can bring. Thanks a million. Well, this has been wonderful.
Go,
Fáilte Road.